Every day is different. But no matter what else changes, a deep clean for your teeth should always be a constant. Introducing new Philips Sonicare FlexCare Platinum, a deeper clean between your teeth. Its patented sonic technology creates a dynamic cleaning action that drives fluid deep between teeth and along the gum line, while its unique brush head with extra long bristles sweeps back and forth, reaching further between teeth to where plaque and bacteria flourish, which means it removes up to 7 times more plaque between teeth than a manual toothbrush, helping keep your teeth safe from cavities while improving gum health in just 2 weeks. It comes with 3 different cleaning modes and adjustable intensity levels for a personalized clean, and a unique pressure sensor that lets you know when you're brushing too hard, which means you can always give your teeth a deeper clean that's just right for you, a clean no manual toothbrush can compete with. New Philips Sonicare FlexCare Platinum, a deeper clean between your teeth every day.